journey has never been about one man, one nation, or one generation. It has always been about one people, one purpose, one heart, one love. Today, we rise together.
One drop groove begins, can key guitar, noise and rock as the bass settles into a deep warm rhythm.
One love forever, one heart forever. Truth will guide us now and ever. One love forever. Side by side, Jah is walking as our guide. One love, one heart. Never let us drift apart. Let the children laugh again, free from hatred, free from pain. May the hungry all be fed. May hope rise where fear has spread. Plant the truth in every soul, helping broken hearts grow whole. When compassion leads the way, darkness turns to brighter day. Here I now. Love is not just a feeling. It is a decision made every day. Choose love, even when it is difficult. That choice can change the world. Though the road is sometimes long, still we sing redemption song. Hope will never fade away, as long as love lights our way. When tomorrow calls our name, may we guard the sacred flame. Leave this earth more whole than new. That's the work for me and you. One love forever. Shine your light. One heart forever. Through the darkest night, stand together. Walk in grace. Leave your love in every place. One love forever. Jah bless us all.